Good morning to all of you. Class 9, chapter first, French Revolution, and then in the last topic we have discussed about that in the French revolutionary activities, what are the conditions in the French Revolution, why the terrifying activities was occurred, and what are the incidents. If we recall all that matter about that, how this situation was occurred. So Louis XVI was increased. Louis XVI when become a ruler, when he become a ruler, he faced lots of problem of treasure and empty treasure, all that thing. So he have to increase the taxes. So unfair activities and increase the taxes. People was angered and give the privileges to first and second class. So people also see these unfair activities also annoyed and create a conflict among them. So when in next in the meeting of assembly, peasants and women not to be allowed. So and denied to the right to vote also. So in this situation, people was angry and drafted a constitution, and after the drafted a constitution was recognized. Incident of the Bastille attack was held, and the 4 August recognized the constitution. Now that French, British, and in last video we have discussed that Louis XVI secretly negotiated with the Prussian king and tried to suppress the revolt, sent a troop, but this was not successful. But this could not be successful and could not succeed. So now after that, National Assembly declared the war against king and aristocratic family, and Versailles was composed. So now that what are the conditions? So in these revolutionary activities, difficulties were faced. Lots of difficulties was faced. Jacobin clubs activities. So big Jacobin clubs was opened, and political activities and some political activities was held by men and women, both of them, and wearing the starting the and now that Louis XVI was treason and charged to treason. Louis XVI was publicly sentenced to death, and was his wife also the publicly sentenced to death after the sometime punishment. The next topic is the Reign of Terror. The Reign of Terror is the year of the 1793 to 94. From 1793 to 94. In this Reign of Terror, the period was referred to the Reign of Terror because the Robespierre, we have discussed about that. I have told you that Maximilien Robespierre was the leader of the Jacobin club, and policy of the several control and the punishment. So he followed the policy of control and the punishment policy, and all those who are the showing the enemy, all those being as showing enemy against the republic, who may be a ex-noble, clergy, and member of the other political party, and even member of his party also, his own party. He did not agree with his method. Were arrested and imprisoned them, and then tried to be a revolutionary tribunal. It means give the punishment to them. If the court was found guilty, then they were guillotined. What is guillotine? Guillotine. So guillotine is a machine for killing and for punishment the people. In this device, 2 poles and a blade which a person beheaded, and if named after Dr. Guillotine, who invented it. And Robespierre government issued a law placing the maximum ceiling on the wages and price. So Robespierre do some measures. What are the measures of the Robespierre government? So Robespierre's law issued a law and placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. It means wages भी fix कर दी गई, ceiling the wages and prices, and minimum prices was fixed. Meat and bread were ration. Meat and bread को जो राशन शॉप में दिए गए. Peasants were forced to transport. Peasants को force किया गया to transport their grain to their cities. That peasants have to was forced to transport the grain to cities, and next sell it. The prices was fixed by the government. The use of more expensive white flour wheat was forbidden. White flour was forbidden, and all citizens required to be ate by the pen D equalite at any equal bread. Every person should be eat equal bread. And loaf made of the whole meat. Equality also showed to be a practices through the form of speech, the address. Instead of the tradition was a traditional monitor को remove कर दिया, sir and madam. All the French men and women, French citoyen and citoyenne. And the church was shut down and their building was converted into the barracks and office. Very good steps was taken by Maximilien Robespierre. And Robespierre pursued his policies so relentlessly that even his supporters began to demand the moderation. Even his supporters also go against his policies, and finally he was convicted by the court in the July 1794. 1794 he also was convicted and arrested, and next day he sent to the guillotine device. A directory of the rule. Next topic was the directory of rules. At that time, ruling of French, the problems was going on in the running of the government. Because of the fall of the Jacobin government after the Maximilian death, allowed the wealthier middle class and the seized the power. So middle class and wealthier people started to come in this government, Jacobin government, and they seized the power. Now the new constitution was introduced, which was denied vote to non-proprietary section of the society. So new constitution was introduced in which denied to the vote to the non-proprietary section of the society. It provided for 2 elected legislative council. In this measures were taken, the 2 legislative council was set up. 2 legislative council was set up, and then these appointed a directory, and executive made up 5 members. Before that, in 1972, only one directory was that, which was resulted clash between them. So now directory and executives was up to 5 members, and this was meant to the safeguard against the concentration of the power one man and executive under the Jacobin. And the director of the often clash with the legislative council. Directors often clash with the legislative council. Before that, was only one member of the directory and executive. Then was short to be dismiss them. So who then short to dismiss them, dismiss kar diya these activities, and the political instability of the director and power to be path of the rise of military directory of the Napoleon part. And these member mostly clashes between them and directory and the member of the council. So this pair the path of military rise of military and dictatorial power Napoleon Bonaparte. And through all these changes of the form of government, the ideals of freedom, of equality, and before the law, fraternity remain inspiring ideals that motivate the political movement in the French and rest of the Europe during the following